This 2017 Airstream Classic 3.0 RBT Twin is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 31 feet 3 inches in length and features a Chestnut UL, Cognac Maple interior, sleeps 5, Skylight, water heater, refrigerator, DVD player, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, TV, air conditioning, awning, external shower, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Airstream Classic 3.0 RBT Twin is 7,365 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.